Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up a private DNS address or DNS server on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings gear icon to open up the settings menu and select network and internet. And you want to select private DNS. Go ahead and select that. At this point, go ahead and select private DNS provider host name and then enter it in here. And then once you're done, you would select save to save it. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.